In the system of equations below, a and c are constants. If the system of equations has an infinite number of solutions, what is the value of a? Quick reminder, if you have an infinite number of solutions, it means you have the same exact equation, meaning you have the same slope and the same exact y-intercept. Okay, with that said, there are too many unknowns on the bottom one to even look at it, so we need to focus our attention on the top equation. And what I'm suggesting we do here is just rewrite this equation in slope-intercept form first, so y equals mx plus b. So let's go ahead and do that. We need to get y by itself, so first step would be to subtract 1/2 from both sides. So let me just copy it down. 1/3 y equals 1/6. Let's go ahead and subtract 1/2. 1/2x from both sides. And we are left with 1/3 y equals -1/2x minus 1/6. We're closer, but we're not quite there yet. We need to get y by itself, so you do that by multiplying each term by 3. And then once we do that, you'll find that your y value equals -3/2x minus 1/2. So we're getting closer, but now we have the equation in slope-intercept form, whereas the question we're answering is in standard form. So we need to rewrite it back into standard form. And all that means is we'll move x back over to the left side by adding 3/2x to both sides. And let's write the result of that up here so we have more space. So now the result of this is 3/2x plus y equals -1/2. And you can see the format now matches. Ax is our 3/2x. We were looking for the value of a, which means the answer has got to be D.